It's like this is William Drosky. I'm doing testing out my RC buggy there, the remote control car or buggy. This is William Drosky. Another video I'm doing is with William's Home Business Central, which the does work. It's like the wheels do turn, and as I go like a little forward on it there, it does work. So I'm gonna be trying to get it to turn it around. Yeah, it's kind of hard to maneuver with the remote control car and operate this phone at the same time. But this shows this does remote control car does work. Get it to crash there. Yeah, I'm gonna set it down here. But it's just proving this RC car does work. That comes with a charger here. Just trying to. That's what it looks up for, a close. I do have this baby there on eBay auctions. They're going for around $30 or so. So if you're interested in buying it there, I'll feel free to place a bid. I also have some other items such as some Matchbox cards. Has some IKEA mirrors there, and some other items which I have, some DVDs, and have some whole bunch items, which I have some baseball cards, which they're over here. List them in lots. It's like had them ready to go out in some envelopes. Some of these they're like puzzle cards. So it was like postcards, which also have like I might just list that on there on eBay. It's like another postcard. Looks like Yosemite Falls. Some large postcards. Some Great Lake boats there, like some freighters. Some more pictures up north in northern Michigan. And this is like where the box will be placed. Like, of course, I have some other books there. Some old records, some more die-cast cars. Here's some like list like some quilt blocks, some CDs, and there's some Matchbox cars, some Hot Wheels, some phonograph records. And some lists of some Matchbox covers there, which I have a whole lot of them, which I have yet to list. There's like about 100 of them. That's gonna be probably taking like a couple days to list. I have some. Some there, like Gillette. I have a lot of double mint gum. Corber's Coke. Menon aftershave there with the Matchbox. There's an interesting one, which I'm going to be listing. Portis hats. They're pretty much collectible by and large. There have some like some Sims 4 games, which have like how we trade options. Top secret recipes unlocked there. Have like paganism and our Christianity by Arthur Wiegel. Have some network marketing books. Some more have this really good bronze plate there. Also going up for auction. There's some like Matchbox cars there. Have like a land 3D land motion sign, like art there. And they have some more those puzzle cards. And I have a whole ton of baseball cards, some CDs, some comic books, Smokey Bear, Hercules, Marble Age, Wolverine, Army World Wars. Some of these I have yet to list. Phantom. and baseball cards. You know, some baseball cards, magazines. Gotta relist those. And here's a suite there, like which I might list some baseball card sticker books. That's pretty much what you get there with the sticker books. Some cards in there already. Have I might list this on Harbor Wonders. There's another book there. You got some more of the baseball cards. Some are pretty much collectible, and also have cards, baseball cards, Immortals. And you can see like a name on there. Some more, some rookie cards there. Yankees, Rangers, the Twins, Orioles. These are, I believe, 1988 Topps baseball cards. Bothered me listing them on eBay. That's have some listed as a lot. You know, baseball cards. And some more baseball sticker yearbooks. Have some photos that are pretty much signed. I'll probably list those. There's like a little chicken, and there's Menike, another autographed picture there, laminated. Another there, basketball star. Some more of those baseball card sticker yearbooks. Baseball card magazines. And there's Beckett there, another baseball card player. But that concludes some of my listings on some listings of a Book of Mormon there, which I just took down. And picture this. Another photo picture of downtown road of a old railroad station. So those who like railroad stations, might list that on eBay as well. So this is William, letting you know, to shake the money tree. Also do providing code registration services as well with other financial services. With Ameriplan, they offer discounts on dental, vision, and chiropractic care. And make sure you just put out a bid there. It's like if you want to be buying this really good working remote control car, which it does work. It had some use on it there. With the years I used it there, which I did have some other retro colored cars earlier, which I really like. I sold them years ago, and then I bought this one, which was got much faster there. As like with other with garage sales, I was like, I'm still gonna tell you like a garage sale story, which was back in the late '90s. Which I'll probably be elaborating with another video, some more garage sale stories. But this one in particular, where it's like a neighbor across the street, we're both having a garage sale, which we end up just kidding each other, just wanting to buy each of our items there for $1, even though we had that item listed $10 or $5 or $20, some pictures, some like. So you get some of these people that just want to buy like a 50-cent item there for and there's like a price tag of $5 or $6 or $3, and they never want to buy the thing for a quarter. It's like I just want to do a little cheap way out of it there. But there's like some just garage sales, it's like you want to sell it and like get what they didn't get out of it, and they just don't want to give it away. So that concludes my video. Like and share, and share this video far and wide. Make sure you subscribe there, and don't forget to shake the money tree.